Friday, you ding-dang kids. Welcome to the channel. Hey look, it's social media things that you can follow if you choose to. You can also subscribe to the channel, but that won't really do anything for you. Unless you like these videos, then thank you, seriously. But also, why? Hello, pals. I know exactly why. Hey, it's Beater Box Friday, so we're opening a beater box. This one is, like always, from Sole Supremacy. Check them out, solesupremacy.com, so I don't have to answer any questions about it. I get these boxes through a paid membership program that is currently closed, so you cannot buy these boxes. So you're forced to watch a couple good Beater Box members, and then there's me. I won't say whether it's good or bad. That's on you. This box was $1,150 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,200. Hey Clarence, it's a counter. It doesn't actually respond. It's a video editing technique with custom title screens, but that's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on everything that affects the value of a shoe. So let's see what's in this box. This price range makes me super nervous because sometimes boxes in this price range aren't very good. They may have value, but that doesn't mean they're good. Kind of like these videos. They're there, but that doesn't mean they're good. Ooh, nothing but Jumpman. Doesn't look like there's any loose shoes. Yeah, there's definitely not any loose shoes. Let's grab this one first. So we have a good era of Jordans, first of all. You can tell by the box. This is a size 13 Jordan 5 Retro. Ooh, are these DS? Well, this is cool. This is a DS pair of Fire Reds from 2006, right? Or I don't know, I can't tell. Look, there's some creasing there, but that could be from being tried on. Let me see the other shoe. Obviously, yeah, I think these are worn a little bit. There is a little bit of creasing on the toe boxes right there, but that could also be just from, I have to look really, really closely at these to make sure. But there is a retro card. There's secondary laces. The lace locks are in there too. I mean, even if they aren't dead stock technically, the condition on these is absolutely nuts. And it's just a really great colorway from a really classic era of Jordan. There is some discoloration on the outsole, the cages, and probably on the tongue too. It's the non-3M tongue, so it is a little bit more comfortable. You can see full Jumpman in there, but these could be dead stock. I don't really know. It's gonna say on the video whether they are or not. Size 13. Fire Red 5s from 2006, I think, is the year that those were released. Wow, what a good way to start off this video. If you want to buy those, they'll be available. Let's try that again. If you want to buy those, they'll be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website by going to sbmitch.com or using the link in the video description below. What's this? Another size 13, a Jordan 6 Retro. Alrighty, we got a pair of 2014 infrared 6s. These just retroed like last year, I think. These are crazy lightly worn. You can see there's a little bit of dirt on the outsoles. Not really any wear though. The upper is close to pristine. There's a little bit of scuffing right there. But again, it's a 7-year-old shoe, so it does have some age. There are lace locks. You can see a full Jumpman and the size sticker. Wait, my light died. I'm missing a light, so I don't know if you can see stuff in the middle. Good size for this model too, so cannot complain. Size 13, infrared 6. This is a very good start to this box. 2 very good shoes in very good sizes. It looks like there's only 6 pairs in here too, so they're all gonna be pretty good value. Size 13, again, this is a Jordan 6 Retro. So these are lightly worn as well. Got the white infrareds. These came out, I think, at the same time as the other ones, just kind of a reverse colorway. These are super lightly worn. There's a little bit of scuffing on the toe box here. Not a lot of creasing anywhere. See the outsole is in decent shape. There's just some dirt. Doesn't look like there's much like drag or anything weird. So whoever had these took care of their shoes, which is very nice to see. There's no more Jumpman on the insole. I don't even know if it's gonna pick it up, but there's a size sticker. Very clean colorway. Good size again for this model. I said it already, but I'll say it again. Size 13, infrared 6. White infrared 6, sorry. Forgot there's more than one. Oh, I see why this box is expensive. And there's an SB too. Another size 13, this is a Jordan 5 Retro. Can't escape this colorway. So these are lightly worn as well. 2013 Grape 5s. I've seen more Grape 5s in the last year than I have in my entire life. But these are actually really clean. You can see there's no cage discoloration or tongue discoloration. There is a little bit of outsole discoloration though, but that's probably mostly from wear. But again, when you take care of your shoes, this is how they age very nicely. So not much discoloration. There's a full Jumpman on the insole. You got lace locks, got everything. There you go, size 13. Grape 5s from 2013. We're gonna do the SB last because of the namesake. But before that, we do have an Off-White collaboration. A size 12 Nike Air Force 1 Low, the 10. Oh, but it says black, so it's the Black Forces. These are worn, pretty okay shape though. Nice. So this is why this box is $1,200. This is the Air Force 1 black Off-White collaboration. There is the little taggy thingy, which is cool, but it's on the left shoe and that just doesn't make sense. These are, I mean, deconstructed look. These are actually pretty cool. There's a little bit of heel drag right there on the edge. There's no like extra laces, at least not that I see, unless they're hiding in the other shoe. Yeah, so there's only the one set of laces, which is fine, I guess, because they're just plain white laces. These are in good shape. These should fetch a pretty penny, I would imagine, just because it's a very good colorway if you're into Forces. Size 12, Air Force 1 Low, Off-White, the black colorway. Cool. We got one more in here. It is a Nike SB. The box has seen way better days. Black and teal box era, so it's like 2013-ish. This might not be the original box. Recognize these though. Size 12. We got a pair of the Dunk Low SB De La Sole. This is a retro of the original pack that came out in like 2006, 2005, something like that. This colorway came in a version in a high, and there was a white one that came in a low. So they retroed this as a low, and then they retroed the white one as a high, just because Nike SB likes to do weird stuff like that. Overall, though, the shoe's in pretty good shape. The outsole with a little bit of drag on the heel. Star loss is non-existent or minimal, can't really tell. Insole is in good shape, it's got that Zoom Air. These just need a solid cleanup. It's a very good mix of materials on here. You got like textured leather, suede, flat leather. There's like this, I don't even know what that ankle collar and the counter is like, because it's almost like hologram type stuff. Hologram. Yes, this is a hologram, but size 12 is a very good size for Dunk Low SBs because, I mean, if your true to size is 12, then these are gonna be too tight for you. So if you're like an 11 or 11 and a half, these will fit you. So there you go, there's your last shoe out. De La Sole Dunk Low SB. That is a $1,200 Sole Supremacy beater box. It's not very often we get a quality over quantity box. I think the value on those Air Force 1s is gonna be really high, but let's look at the numbers and see what it says. Right away, I can tell you that the sizes on this box are gonna be great because these are all very good sizes for the models that we have. I think the value is pretty good. I don't think it's like outstanding or like crazy or anything, but I think it's pretty good. So if you wanna buy any of these, they'll be available on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. Before that happens, the worn pairs will be cleaned up and disinfected with the Resjuvenator family of products, and you can save 10% off of your next or first Resjuvenator order by using my code SBMitch10 at checkout. It'll save you 10% off the entire order, and if you're buying a lot of stuff, that 10% can go a long way because they do free shipping, so that's pretty cool. Kinda like you for watching this video, or you're really bored. That's like the two options. You're either really cool or really bored. Slap the thumbs up, slap the thumbs down, slap a comment down there, do whatever you really want to. I'll just interact with you however you feel like. I think that's really it. No more housekeeping. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you have a really good weekend. And until next time, remember to take care of each other and keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.